Hi, I'm Francis Lloyd Vega. I'm representing Manila City.
Francis Lloyd Vega
Yeah.
from Manila. Why did you join Mr. Philippines?
Yeah. Sumali ako ng Mr. Philippines, hindi para makipagkompetensya lang. Sumali ako dito para mag-enjoy or makakuha ng panibagong experience since I'm working as an IT. So gusto ko naman ng panibagong experience. Gusto kong ma-reach kung ano pa yung kaya kong gawin or kung ano yung potential ko pa. So yun. And bago ko makuha yung potential na yun, winner ko to everyday. So yeah, being empowered, ginamit ko yun as a person.
You're an IT.
Yes.
Meron ka bang advocacy? Bakit ka sumali dito sa Mr.
Yes,
Philippines?
yeah. My advocacy po is digital empowerment and cyber safety po. Since nakita ko kasi yung technology kung paano paano magbigay ng doors sa employment, education, and magbigay ng opportunity. So yun po. So with this po, gusto kong maturuan or bigyan ng knowledge yung mga young people sa mga like digital skills, basic computer skills, cyber security awareness, and to protect them sa cyberbullying, phishing, and scams.
Okay. Napakagandang idea yan, no, na ating tutulungan ng ating kabataan regarding technology.
Yes po.
So, paano natin sila tuturuan?
Pwede po natin silang pwede tayo magbigay ng small program po. Like kunyari, small program para sa mga kabataan. Pwede silang umattend ng program po regarding po sa advocacy mo. Then para maturuan sila or pwede tayo magbigay online ng mga lessons or ng mga instructions kung paano po natin sila matutulungan talaga.
Okay. Francis, give me 3 fun facts about you.
My hobby is playing basketball. I love to watch movies din. Then travel. And I want to travel. Yeah.
Anong genre ng movies na gusto mo? Mahilig kang
Yeah, favorite kong movie like horror, suspenseful, psychological, yung mga ganyan po.
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm inviting you to add and follow me sa social media accounts ko. My Instagram account is Francis Vega __ and my Facebook account is Francis Vega. And I'm inviting you guys to vote me. Here's journey ko sa Mr. Philippines. Yeah, makikita niyo yung link sa Mr. Philippines page para help me to vote, guys.
Alright. Thank you very much, Francis. And best of luck.
Thank you so much po.
Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Fredo Godinez, 26, representing Surigao del Sur.
Fredo Godinez
Yes,
from
po.
Surigao del Sur. In the first place, why did you join Mr. Philippines?
I joined Mr. Philippines to prove to myself that kaya ko pa. Even though yung last pageant ko was 2018, feeling ko sana ma-achieve natin yung crown.
Fredo, ano mga pageants mo before?
Before is Mr. Grand Philippines 2018. Yes po. I won second runner-up. Yes po. Hopefully this journey masungkit po natin yung crowd.
Fredo, what do you do right now?
Actually, I handle business. We have coffee shop and then Airbnb condos po. Yes.
Fredo, para kang Tisoy, happy ka ba?
Hindi po, pure po, pure Pinoy. Yes po.
Meron ka bang advocacy?
Advocacy ko po is to ilapit ang mga kabataan sa sports at ilayo sila sa mga masamang bisyo. Opo.
Are you also into health? Are you a health buff?
Yes po. Actually po, regular po ako nag-gym. I eat healthy foods also. Then, I work out a lot. Ini-invite ko po kayo na supportahan niyo po ako sa journey ko po sa Mr. Philippines. And then, follow my Instagram, godinez.fredo. Also my Facebook account, fredo.godinez. Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Thank you very much, Fredo, and best of luck to you.
Thank you po.
Hello everyone, I am Ethan Alex, representing the business capital of the Philippines, Makati City.
Ethan from Makati City. Ano nickname mo?
Calix.
Calix. you won one of the Media Choice Award. How do you feel right now?
Sobrang saya. Overwhelmed ako.
Did you expect this?
Hindi. Actually, kanina nga nung tinawag yung pangalan ko, oh my God, Makati, ako yun eh. Naiyak ako at the same time na, oh my God, thank you. Thank you, Lord, number one. Thank you sa mga heads natin, president natin sa Mr. Philippines. And of course, the core, our media, na nagbibigay ng kulay, nagbibigay ng saya sa atin in every kind of, this kind of pageantry. Yeah, thank you.
Calix, why did you join Mr. Philippines?
I joined Mr. Philippines because I have number one, to help other people. This prestigious pageant, I want to use this platform to, na magbigay ng next level na, na image, ng ating city, ng Makati, beautiful city of Makati, and also na magbigay ng tulong sa mga nangangailangan. It's because this pageant not really for just the crown. This pageant is really for all of people.
Anong klaseng tulong ang gusto mong maibigay sa ating mga kababayan?
Actually, yung tulong talaga na magbibigay ng sustainability. Like for example, nag-help na ako sa mga bata na IPs, mga kababayan nating IP people that, oh my gosh, really need help talaga to our community. Siyempre, na bigyan natin sila ng pansin because they are the ones na nagbibigay ng distinctive na image being a Filipino. Yun.
Calix, did you already join previous pageants?
Actually, I joined Mr. Philippines 2024 but hindi ko siya tinuloy. Nag-withdraw ako. It's because of my personal problems sa family.
Calix, do you already, are you working now?
No, actually, nagko-commercial, nagtatalent,
Talent.
workshop, yung mga pinagkikapasiyan ko lang po.
I see.
You just, you can see me in IG, Ethan Cervantes, Facebook, Ethan Cervantes lang din. Yun lang.
TikTok also?
TikTok also. Yeah. I would like to thank all of you guys na nag-support sa akin, sa amin ng mga brothers ko ni candidates dito sa Mr. Philippines through voting. Sobrang laking bagay yun para sa amin. And of course, I want to thank the people na nag-bring up, nag-give sa akin ng dedication, ng courage to pursue this prestigious pageant.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Calix.
everyone. Thank you.
Okay.
Cold beauty, feel the beat tonight. Pageant dreams on.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl Nicoli Santiago. We're Mr. Philippines Laguna.
Carl, Arlacan ng Laguna, kamusta?
Yun po, pagod pa rin po sa last pageant ko po which is yung Lakan ng Laguna nga po ng March.
Congratulations for being Lakan ng Laguna.
Maraming salamat po.
Yeah. Why did you join Mr. Philippines?
The very reason po why I joined is that I personally believe po ng growth is doesn't stop after one achievement po. Parang siyempre after po ng pageant ko, I just realized po na parang kulang pa. And which is now, I'm now representing once again my province of Laguna.
In the national, in the national
Yeah,
stage.
the national stage, yeah. The first was MGP, 2023.
Yes.
Then yun po, we'll see what I can offer here sa Mr. Philippines.
Okay. I believe meron kang advocacy.
Yeah, may po kasi is, yung pa rin po na sustainable tourism. Dahil naniniwala po kasi ako na ang tunay na pagyaman ng turismo ng Pilipinas ay hindi lang sa dami ng turista, kundi kung patin ito pangangalagaan.
Lalo na sa Laguna, maraming
Sa Laguna.
tourist spots,
Yes,
diba?
yes po.
Napakaganda
Mga
ng
falls.
Laguna at ating binabalik-balikan.
Yes po.
Okay. Carl, please tell me 3 fun facts about you.
Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ako po ay isang licensed mechanical engineer
Wow.
and family-oriented at masiyahin.
Okay. Ano mga social media accounts mo para sa ating mga followers na susundan ka?
Hi guys, you can follow me on Facebook. My name is Carl Santiago. On Instagram naman po, engineer.carlnicol. And same with TikTok na rin po yun. Yes po, meron po existing voting which is po yung Scores PH na kung saan po pinakungunahan po ng Sysprotec. Then secondly po is yung Cafe Latte po. Then yun guys, I invite you guys to watch our coronation night on August 2. See you there.
Okay. Carl, why should you win Mr. Philippines 2026?
Kung mabibigyan po ng pagkakataon na hirangin bilang Sir Philippines, yun ay dahil sa uhaw ko. Hindi lang dahil sa pagkapanalo, kundi kung paano ko gusto kong gampanan ang responsibilidad bilang isang Mr. Philippines. Yun po sa ilang taon kong pamumuhay, hindi lang sa karera ng pageantry kundi sa personal na buhay. Naniniwala ako na marami pa akong dapat patutunan at marami may offer para sa ikabubuti ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Yun lamang po.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Critical beauty, feel the beat tonight.
Hi, I'm Ozzy Gallardo, representing the Ilocos Sur.
Ozzy Gallardo, kamusta ka na? Long time no see. Saan kita huling nakita?
I think sa last pageant ko sa Mr. Grand Philippines.
Mr. Grand
Way back
Philippines.
2019, yeah.
Yeah. Bakit ka bumalik sa Mr. Philippines?
Because first of all, naniniwala ko na magbibigay sa akin ng open doors opportunity itong pageant na to. And at the same time, this is my big exposure. Lalo ngayon, open na ngayon, tapos na ang pandemic. And at the same time, I believe in the saying that makakaya ko lahat ng mangyayari sa event na to. So, believe in yourself, trust yourself, perseverance, discipline, yun mahalaga.
Ozzy, what do you do right now?
As of now, I'm doing workouts, preparations, and at the same time sa La Union. Yeah, modeling. Yeah.
Okay. And do you have any advocacy?
Yes, my advocacy is love for children. Because I'm a survivor of life and an orphan, that would be my advocacy. Yeah, love for children.
Do you have an organization that you are helping with?
Yeah, I have. First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin na tumutulong sa advocacy ako, which is the love for children. I help those people, like kids, especially those who need the most, by giving them food and shelter sometimes, and syempre yung pagmamahal natin sa mga bata.
Okay, Ozzy, give me 3 fun facts about you.
Basta ako, happy kid, and have faith in God, and at the same time, determination. Yun po yung mga
Love for adventure. Like anong klase adventure?
Nature trip.
Nature
Yeah.
tripping. So you like biking, mountain biking?
Mountaineering, yes, punta sa mga falls, then sa mga natures like forest, ganun, dagat.
Where in Ilocos Sur are you?
Narvacan.
Narvacan.
Yeah, Narvacan.
Okay, please invite your supporters to
Yeah.
your upcoming event.
Guys, please support me in my journey in Mr. Philippines 2026. I am Ozzy Gallardo representing the Ilocos Sur. Please vote me in Mr. Philippines at the same time. Please support me in my whole journey in Mr. Philippines. Thank you. God bless.
All right, thank you very much, Ozzy, and best of luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Critical beauty, feel the beat tonight. Pageant dreams sparkling in the
Hello everyone, my name is Charles Angelo Dripin, reigning Dinong Pasigueño, and now we're conquering the world of Mr. Philippines 2026.
Angelo Drippin from Pasig. Okay, in the first place, bakit sa Mr. Philippines ka sumali at hindi sa ibang pageant?
Well, ayun na marami pong pageant ngayon, and bakit po sa Mr. Philippines? Unang-una po, from the words itself, Mr. Philippines, sumali po ako dito dahil sa pagnanais na balang araw may represent ko din po ang bansa po natin sa international stage. And of course, yung mga candidates po dito, as you can see, grabe po yung experiences nila, and gusto ko pong matuto from their experiences, and gusto ko rin pong may share po yung sariling kwento ko sa pageant na ito.
Okay, congratulations for winning one of the Media Choice Awards.
Thank you so much po, unexpected po, pero sobrang thank you po. Kaya,
Okay,
sobrang thank you.
Angelo, na-interview na kita dati. Please remind mo ako kung ano ba talaga ang advocacy mo.
Before I started joining this pageant, nakita ko po yung pagiging critical ng social media ngayon. That's why I come up with the advocacy of social media literacy and digital responsibility. Simply encouraging everyone to be more responsible user of social media, and palagi po natin piliin ng maging mabuti. Hindi lamang po sa personal, kundi bawat screen po na, bawat pag social media po natin ay may kakaibat po na responsibilidad na maaari pong maapektuhan yung buhay ng ibang tao.
Angelo, dati nag-viral ang iyong talent sa Ginoong Pasigueño. Meron talent competition ba ngayon?
Wala daw pong talent competition ngayon. More on Q&A po, which is para may para din po namin yung message po namin and yung purpose po namin through words and action po namin.
Alam mo ba na yung video mo hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa rin sa TikTok?
Parang medyo may kumukuha na din po ng idea.
Oo, ang dami na, marami na ako nakita na ganong talent din sa ibang pageant.
To everyone, I'm inviting you to watch and support me as I conquer and start my journey towards the crown of Mr. Philippines. And please vote for me. And you can follow me on my social media, Angelo Dripin, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you so much po.
Best of luck.
Guilty.